Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and I have a brand new presentation for you. And in this presentation I will show you how to make up to $30 per hour simply listening to audio files. Okay, so I have top 7 websites that will actually pay you up to $30 per hour. I'm going to explain the whole strategy to you. In the end I will show you a hack that will speed up the whole process 10 times for you. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, the first slide says how to make money listening to audio files. So let's jump into it. Before we actually do, make sure to subscribe to Art of Marketing blog. So subscribe to the channel if you are interested in making money online, working from home, traffic generation, and essentially if you want to start making money with your computer. This is perfect for 2021. So please subscribe, please click on the bell, please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and obviously like this video. So this really helps me out to create even more videos for you guys. So with that being said, we will be talking about 3 ways to make money listening to audio files. Okay, and these 3 ways are, first of all, transcriptions, second of all, captions, and third of all, subtitles. And a fourth bonus one is if you speak a couple of languages like English and Spanish or English and Chinese or whatever it is, you can actually make extra money doing translation work. Okay, so in this video we will focus mainly on the first one because the first one requires no expertise. Okay, all you need is a pair of earphones and you need to know how to type, and with the hack that I'm going to show you in the end of this video, you don't even need to type anything. Okay, so this will speed up the whole process again by 10 times. So guys, making money transcribing. If you are a complete beginner, you will start at $15 per hour. So this is the total minimum that you can start making. Again, with zero experience, with zero tech skills, $15 per hour is what you're going to be making. For advanced transcribers and for people that have already a little bit of experience, you will be making $25 to $30 per hour. Okay, so in a nutshell, if you can transcribe more within the hour, you can make much more money. This is what we will be talking about, and the hack will actually speed up this whole thing for you. And the cool thing is that, yeah, you can automate it. Again, watch until the end of this video. I will show you how to make a whole bunch of money without actually doing the manual work. Okay, next up, making money with captions. So guys, if you like watching movies and just adding captions to like YouTube videos or even lectures, this is a perfect thing. I remember when I was making money just translating different documents, I was learning a lot just by reading these documents, because you do have to read them in order to translate them. So this is very similar, so you can actually learn something while you are making money. So again, you can watch movies, you can do YouTube videos, or you can just actually watch lectures of like professors and learn a ton of different things. Next up, making money with subtitles. So guys, this is perfect if you love movies, if you love to watch Netflix, or whatever you like to watch your movies on. Now this is for detailed oriented people, because you will have to actually timestamp all of the like sentences and whatever is said in the movie. So you do have to sort of sync it in order to this whole subtitle thing to work. And there's actually a lot of demand, because as you know, with all of these streaming services, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, you just have so much content going out, and people need subtitles for all of it. So another great way to make money. The question is, what do you need to start today? Okay, so you can start making money from home today. First of all, you will need a pair of earphones. Okay, if you have a laptop, you don't really need earphones, because you can just listen to the audio out loud. Obviously you need a computer, you need an internet connection, and you need 30 to 60 minutes per day. Okay, so this is not something you will need like 5 minutes a day for. You do have to listen to these files and transcribe them. Again, the hack will actually speed up the whole process. Within 30 minutes you will be able to do like 3 hours or 5 hours of work. So again, watch this video until the end, and you will also need a PayPal account to receive the money. Okay, so most of these websites will actually pay you via PayPal, which is cool because this is instant payment. You can pay for stuff online with PayPal, or you can just transfer the money to your bank. Really safe. So the big question is where to find these online jobs. Okay, so in a second I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly, but in a nutshell, these are the top 7 websites. Okay, Rev, Transcribe Me, GMR Transcription, iScribed, Transcription Panda, Go Transcript, and Scribie. So I will show you all of these in detail and exactly where to click and where to go. And how does this all work? So first of all, you go to one of these websites, you submit an application, then you normally take a test. Okay, so some of these websites will include a test, some don't. Then you just wait for jobs after your test is approved. Then you transcribe. Again, I'll show you exactly how to do it with this hack so we can actually save 10 times more time. Then you earn money per audio hour. Okay, so the more hours you get, the more money you will make, and then you just rinse and repeat. Okay, so obviously this is a service that you're going to be providing, so you need as many jobs as you possibly can. So I would actually, if you want to do this, I would go and sign up for all 7 of these websites that I'm going to show you and just wait for jobs. Okay guys, so welcome to my desktop. First of all, make sure to like this video if you still didn't like it, and subscribe to the channel. And right now let me show you the list of these websites. And before I do, I just did a quick Google search. I typed in how much does a transcriptionist make. Okay, so just to show you that I didn't invent these numbers that I showed you before. A transcriptionist salary is generally around $15 per hour, while advanced transcriptionists earn $25 to $30 per hour, and this can easily sum up to $1,500 per month, or even more than $20,000 per year. So if you are serious about making money this way, you can do your own research. I also found this on Indeed.com. Okay, so Indeed.com is a website where they essentially show you how much different industries are making. So again, $15.34, that's the base salary. So even if you have 0 experience and 0 tech skills, and as you can see, top companies for transcriptionists in United States, they pay up to $59 per hour. Okay, so again guys, $15 is the absolute minimum, $60 is the maximum. So that's why I think $25 to $30 is really achievable. As you can see, we have $42, we have $24, we have $16.95, we have $14.49, and then as you can see, highest paying cities, $37 in New York, $30 in Atlanta, $22 in Los Angeles. So do your own research when it comes to this, but again, I think $30 is pretty achievable. So with that being said, let's check out the top 7 list I have for you. Number 7, I have Rev.com. Okay, so guys, this is one of the top websites. As you can see, they have transcription, they have captions, and they have foreign subtitles. So again, if you know a couple of languages, you can actually go with foreign subtitles and earn $3 to $7 per minute, and transcription starts at $1.25 per minute, captions $1.25 as well. Now this website is for people that want to hire a transcriptionist. Okay, so if you are a transcriptionist and if you want to become a transcriptionist and find jobs, just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on become a freelancer. Okay, so as you can see, Rev's mission is give to more people the freedom to work from home. You can apply now to be a transcriptionist, a captioner, or a translator. Just click on learn more and you will get all the information right here. So that's the number 7 website I have for you. Again, normally you will have to take a test, and as you can see, they are actually paying weekly via PayPal. So perfect for anyone anywhere in the world. So that's number 7. Number 6, I have transcribeme.com. Okay, so very similar website. As you can see, they do different things like data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI data sets. So if you are a transcriptionist looking for a job, just click on jobs right here, and again, you will get all the information. As you can see, you're going to be paid working from home. You can monetize your downtime. They have the highest pay starting at $15 to $22 per hour. Obviously, you're going to get the flexibility. They actually give you expert training as well. So a very cool company to work for. And again, you can just sign up with all 7 of these websites I'm going to show you. This was number 6. Number 5, I have gmrtranscription.com. Guys, all of these websites work in the same way. You have all the information right here, and all you have to do is just click on careers right here, and these guys will actually have different jobs and different times. So the current job openings, as you can see, we have certified translators, and we have general transcription or Spanish transcriptions and translators. So all you have to do is just click right here to apply. You're going to have to fill out this information right here, and that's essentially it. So you can keep on coming back to this transcription website because they have different openings at different times. Okay, so this is number 5. Number 4, I have iScribed.com. As you can see, again, it says transcriptions, closed captions, and translations. Pretty much the same thing. If you want to find a job, just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on careers. Same exact process. We have transcriptionist, captions, and translation. Just pick the one of your choice. I would go with transcriptions if you have 0 experience. Again, when it comes to captions, it's pretty much the same, but translation, they will ask you for some kind of experience normally. Okay, so you will have to show them like that you already did a translation or 2. Next up, number 3, I have transcriptionpanda.com. A pretty cool looking website. Now all you have to do to find a job with them is scroll all the way to the bottom and click on apply for work for transcriptionists. So as you can see, what they offer is weekly payouts, flexible work, competitive rates, internal support, and domestic and international applicants are welcome. So you can do this from wherever in the world. Check all of this out. And right now I have the number 2 website for you, which is gotranscript.com. As you can see, they work only with 100% human generated transcription services. So you will be that human working for them. Again, if you want to make some money transcribing for them, just scroll all the way to the bottom. And we have 4 transcriptionists. We have work affiliate and transcription tools. So they actually give you a free tool that you can use. Just click on work and just apply for a job. They have a video that you can watch right here, and as you can see, they pay up to 60 cents per audio minute or video minute. Average earnings per month for them is $150, and top monthly earnings $1,215. So you can just apply now. Again, if you want to make the most money possible, just sign up with all 7 of these websites. And right now I have the first, number 1, the best website in my opinion is Scribie.com. Now Scribie actually will allow you to transcribe a bunch of different things. As you can see, they do documentaries, they do YouTube videos, they do speeches, they do lectures, they do just a whole bunch of different things. As you can see, the rates are starting at 10 cents per minute. Now this is for automated transcription. As you will be doing this manually, which means that you will be actually making much more, 80 cents per minute. All you have to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on join Scribie as a transcriber. So again, you're going to submit an application, take an online test like we talked about, and then earn per audio hour. So click on this blue button to apply right now, and you have all the information right here. So the cool thing is that, as you can see, if you're going to be doing only transcription, you can make potentially $200 to $300 per month. Transcription and reviews up to 500, transcriptions, reviews, and proofreading up to 700, and all of the above plus QC up to $1,000 per month. So pretty cool. Again, that's why this is my top website on this list. And as you can see, again, $5 to $25 per audio hour USD, and they have a bunch of different things like short files, long files, 10 minutes or less, or even up to an hour. So that's my number 1 website for you. Again, please just check out all 7 of these, pick the ones that you like, or all 7 of these. And right now let me show you this hack that I promised to show you. So guys, normally how all of this works is you listen to a file and you type it up by hand. Now if you want to speed up this whole process, all you have to do is just type in Google Docs inside Google. Okay, so then you're gonna have to go to docs.google.com. This is just the way to find it, and you will just start a new document. Okay, so instead of listening to a file and typing it up, you can hook it up in a very cool way. Just click on tools while being in the document, and then click on voice typing. As you can see, we have this microphone right here, and if I'm going to click on it, this document will start typing exactly every single word that I'm saying right now. Okay, so this is something that can speed up this whole process by 10 times. So you can decide if you want to hook up this file to the microphone and do it this way, or if you want to read it out yourself. Obviously, you will need to go through this document and make sure that it all makes sense. So you can't just type it all up and just send it as is. You will have to manually make sure there are no errors. But with that being said, it will really speed up this whole process for you. So this is the hack I have for you. Again, this is not fully automated, but this is something that will allow you to automate 90% of your work as a transcriptionist. Okay, so let me just switch this off for now. And guys, that's the video I have for you today. Now, before you go, make sure to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Art of Marketing blog, make sure to like this video, make sure to click on the bell if you are already subscribed, and make sure to leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi. Comments really help me out as well. Now guys, I'm always recording videos about making money online, working from home, traffic generation. So again, I know that a ton of you guys are stuck at home for some reason, pandemic or some other reason. Maybe you lost your job, maybe you are in transition. This is a perfect way to start making some extra money online. This is how I got started back in 2012. I started doing part-time Fiverr gigs, and now I'm full-time making 6 figures per year. So guys, you can do a very similar thing. So again, subscribe to the channel, like this video, it really helps me out, and check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. Again, I'm always recording videos about making money online, working from home, and everything in between. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.